Assalamualaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing update regarding project which name is Smiley Shiba Inu. So as you know, I already make 3 videos regarding the project. So my first video was a complete review regarding the project. In this video we discuss about their about all necessary things that you should have in your mind if you want to buy their project. And my second video was about how we can add their tokens in our trust wallet, and how we can buy and how we can join their pre-sale live pre-sale round 1 live in our trust wallet. And in my second video was about their ending time in their ICO, and today I'm here again with their amazing project. So let's go to their website. This is their website. As you know, the Smiley Shiba Inu is a milestone, is a meme token, and today I'm here with a new amazing update that their pre-sale round 2 is live now, and their initial price is $0.0006, and their listing price will be 0.0030. Listing price means when they will be listed on different exchanges. So they are going to list it on 1st January of 2022 on PancakeSwap, Hotbit, P2P, and La Token. And when they will be listed, then their price will be increased from 0.0006 to 0.003. So it's mean you will receive the huge profit if you buy their tokens now in their pre-sale round 2, and if you sell them after listing on these exchanges. So before starting my video in detail, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon if you are new on my YouTube channel, so you will receive all notification about my new videos on your mobile screen. So here you can see that their initial price is $0.0006, and the listing price will be 0.003. So it's mean you will receive a huge profit. So these are their contract dress. If you want to if you have problem for adding their token in your trust wallet or MetaMask, so you can see my previous video. I discuss it in detail already. So here you can see that they are going to list on 1st January 2022 on PancakeSwap, Hotbit, P2B, and La Token. So their ICO round 2 will be end after 13 days and 12 hours. So there are 13 days for you to join their pre-sale round 2. So you can buy their tokens. We also discuss how we can buy their tokens from pre-sale, as we already make a video how we can buy their tokens from pre-sale 1. So here you can see their soft cap and hard cap is mentioned here. Their soft cap is 60 BNB and their hard cap is 100 BNB. You can also find out their white paper here. So I will also give the link of their white paper in my video description. If you want to get more detail regarding the project, you can download their white paper from my video description. So Smiley Shiba Inu is a milestone in a meme token, and S SHIB is the symbol of their tokens. So their initial goal is to complete 10,000 holder in their pre-sale. Smiley Shiba Inu is going to list on 5 exchanges including Hotbit, P2B, La Token, and 2 more surprising exchanges. So these are the roadmaps we already discussed in detail, but today we will also discuss it again. So they have different plans in different phases. So phase 1 they have a plan of the token creation, website launch, pre-sale launch, white paper launch, and in phase 2 they have a plan of the YouTube marketing, social media promotion, airdrop. In phase 3 they have a plan of certic audit, website redesign, and pancake swap launch. And in phase 4 they have a plan of the listing on Hotbit, listing on P2B, and listing on La Token, and listing on 2 more exchanges. This is a surprise for you. They are going to give you a surprise. So after phase 4 we discuss about the phase 5. They have a plan of second order, listing on CMC, listing on CG, and listing on 4 to 5 best exchanges. And in phase 6 they have a plan of the bounty campaign, as SHIB launchpad, and as SHIB swap, and listing on Binance. So you can also find out their tokenomics. These are the tokenomics. These are token distribution. So they have a total supply. You can also see it. This is the value. This is the number of their tokens of total supply. So they fix their 3% for their pre-sale, 5% for their team, 5% for their marketing, and 90% logged. So their decimal is 18, their symbol is SSHIB, and their token name is Smiley Shiba Inu. So you can also contact them on their social media like Twitter, Telegram, and email directly. So you will find out each and every information regarding the project on their social media, each and every update regarding the project on their social media. So you can also find out that their pin message. So their pre-sale round 2 is live now. The initial price is here. So basically pin message are the necessary message that they want to give to their holders. So you can check it out on their social medias, and if you follow them and press the bell icon, then you will receive each and every update regarding the project on their social medias. So if you want to buy the tokens, then it's very simple way. We already discussed in detail. You just need to click on the buy token. Then you will find out this page here. You need to add MetaMask, or you need to connect your MetaMask with their site. So if you have account in your MetaMask, then it is very easy to connect it with their site, and you just need to write the amount of your BNB that you want to spend, that you want to use for buying their tokens. You can also send your BNB at this address if you want to buy the token. You also can earn from the referral link. We already discussed in detail how we make our referral link. You can visit my previous videos and you will find out it is very easy. And now we discuss about the other things. So go back to our home page and discuss other things, which is this is the amazing news and amazing update regarding the Smiley Shiba Inu. If you miss the Shiba Inu, so it is a golden chance for you to join the Smiley Shiba Inu. It will be the next Shiba Inu, or maybe their price will be increased from the Shiba Inu in future when they will be listed on different exchanges. So it is a golden chance to join their pre-sale live pre-sale round 2. Then you will get you can't imagine how much profit you will be earn after some time on 1st January when they will be listed on different exchanges. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.